friends! Are you ready to learn the alphabet? Let's go on an ABC adventure. Repeat after me. A is for apple. Crunch, crunch. B is for ball. Let's play. C is for cookie. Yummy. D is for duck. Quack, quack. E is for elephant. Look at that trunk. F is for fire truck. Wee woo, wee woo. G is for guitar. Let's rock. H is for happy. Give me a big smile. I is for ice cream. So cold. J is for jelly beans. So many colors. K is for kite. Fly high. L is for lion. Roar. M is for monkey. Ooh, ooh, N is for night. Time to sleep. Shh.
O is for octopus. 8 long arms. P is for pizza. Who wants a slice?
Q is for queen. Wear your crown. R is for rainbow. Beautiful colors.
S is for soccer. Kick the ball. T is for train. Choo-choo!
U is for umbrella. Stay dry in the rain. V is for van. Let's go for a ride.
W is for wagon. Pull it along. X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding.
Y is for yo-yo. Up, up and down. Z is for zebra. Black and white stripes.
Great job, friends! You just learned your ABCs. High five! See you next time for more fun!